Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here, and welcome to this video lesson today where we're going to be talking about one-time versus continuity. What do I mean? That's a weird title, eh? So one-time versus continuity, what we're talking about is making sales, one-time sales versus continuity products, right? So we're going to have a little fun today and talk about some numbers and just look at, say, something juicy like $10,000 a month, right? Sounds pretty good. Most people would like to make $10,000 a month. So let's say that you have a product that you're selling, and it's $1,000 product, and you sell 10 of those each month. Bust our butt, and we sell 10 of those each month, and we're making our $10,000. Now, that's all well and good. We have to do a lot of running around and work really hard to sell those 10 products, and all we make is $10,000 a month. Now, don't get me wrong, $10,000 a month is good, but that's a lot of work. And at the end of the month, to go get another $10,000, we've got to go out and sell another 10 people on that product. So what we're going to do is kind of take a look at a continuity calculator and have some fun with numbers. And once you see these numbers start flowing, I think it's really going to get your juices flowing as far as wanting to come up with a solution to this question, in that how can you come up with a recurring income solution for yourself, right? So that's going to be your homework for today, is to come up with a recurring income solution for yourself. And let's go look at this continuity calculator, and this is definitely why you're going to want to do your homework today. Okay, so here we go over at our continuity calculator here. So let's just say that instead of $1,000 product, all we've got is a $47 product. It's $47 a month, right? It's a recurring income. It's a membership, but it only costs $47. Now, our members, people who sign up for our course, they only stay on for 3 months, right? 3 months that they stay with us, and we can't even get one customer a day. Each month we're kind of topping out at about 20 customers. But as you can see on our continuity calculator here, with our recurring monthly income, even starting out with just $47 a month, at the end of that month, if we can get our 20 people, we've made $940, right? At that rate, if we just keep going out and getting our 20 people a month, by the time we get to month 11, we've passed that other guy who's doing his $10,000 a month, going out each and every month, having to resell over and over, selling $1,000 products. So really, all we need is just a $47 product and, 20 customers a month. So that's not too bad. But what if we stepped it up? What if we actually got to, say, 30 customers? We've stepped up our ability with selling our membership, and we're getting one whole customer a day now, right? Things are really zooming along. So with one customer a day, 30 customers a month, now we can see by month 8, we've passed the other guy who's trying to sell $10,000 a month, doing it 10 $1,000 sales, right? With our continuity, our recurring monthly income calculator here, we can see month 8, we've passed him now, and that's all at a $47 price point, okay? So that's kind of neat, but let's go back. Let's say that we're only doing 20 people a month. We're not, super salesmen yet. That's all we can do is 20 people. But our membership, what we're selling here, is really, really good. And it's actually worth $97 instead of $47. So once we make the adjustment here and see, all of a sudden, by increasing our price here, by month 6, is when we pass the other guy who's only doing $10,000 a month, having to sell and find new customers to buy a $1,000 product each month, right? Using this method with our $97 price point, you can see that we've gone and passed them even quicker by increasing the price. So here's where we start to have some real fun with the numbers here. So let's just say if we go back to, say it was a $47 price point, but we are super salesmen, we're getting 2 people a day now, right? We're up to 60 customers a month. We're really working hard. We're getting 2 customers a day. Now you can see by month 4, again, we've passed the other guy who's out there trying to do $10,000 a month just by selling products over and over, right? With our recurring system here, using recurring monthly income, you can see that we've passed him by month 4, and how much faster things go, the more customers that we get in. So customers, price point, by adjusting the length of time that people stay with us. Now I went with a nice low one here and went with 3 months, but even if you can double the length of that, that's going to adjust the numbers as well. And I will see you in the next video.